Watch this, y'all. This is about to be the easiest short of all time, bro. Right here. No bullshit. I'm saying so. Let me show y'all the narrative for the 3 people that just joined it real quick. You know what I'm saying? All right, so we came and ran this high, right? That was the daily high, and then we ran into this 4-hour civvy. You know what I'm saying, right? Let me show y'all real quick. Bro. So y'all know what I'm talking about. So boom, we ran this daily high right here, ran into a 4-hour civvy, and we are showing signs of reversal, bro. Obviously, we not trading higher. I'm saying as soon as we ran that high, we started trading down. So I'm looking for sell side targets, which is these relative equal lows down here. You know what I'm saying? Boom. So 9:39. It's approaching the macro time. You got a fair value gap. If I was trading, this is paper trade too. I'm not trading my live account today. I'm already done for the week. You know what I'm saying? Went 3-0 type shit. So I'm not trading live. I'm trading paper. But if I was to be trading live, I would definitely be going short right here. Let me see. I'm gonna trade this how I would trade my personal account. Sheesh. Shit. 7. I don't know. Let me see. I ain't gonna lie. If I win the trade, I'll be tight. Sure, should took this shit live. You ever get in a demo trade and hope you lose type shit so you don't be mad you win? Oh, fuck. My fault. I didn't know that's what y'all wanted to do, man. Alright, so I want to see this fair value gap and just hold price. Yo, Jay. What's good, bro?
What's good, dog? How's it going?
Chilling.
Type shit, type shit, type shit.
Hell yeah, I just came from the gym.
I was low key about to go to the gym after you got off of this. I'm not here.
You been
I think it's
what'd you say?
I think it's time for the gym content, bro.
Oh, you about to start?
Yeah.
Oh, saying. What you about to be posting again?
Honestly, I don't even know for real, for real. I'm kind of wing it until I figure out a good method to like start doing it. Cause I don't know how to do content for real. That's not my thing.
Uh
But
huh.
we're gonna start from ground zero and see what happens.
Yeah. Hey.
I know I'm about to start doing my car content for real though. Like that's like my main thing at the moment.
Oh yeah, your card content. Yeah, for sure, for
Yeah.
sure.
So I just like
Yeah, that shit.
I'm
That
about,
card content be
hmm?
busting. I ain't gonna lie.
Not for sure, but I'm about to be balling off a bike on a bicycle for a minute because my car got sit in the driveway while I get everything ready. Cause I still got to buy the parts and shit. But I have like me not like me not having a phone and me like being in my own space. I've been trying to figure out like what to like fill my free time with and how to be productive still.
Yeah, for sure. Wait, you Oh, so your phone was like broke type shit?
Nah, it still is like this is like I told you I couldn't get into Discord. This is my secondary phone. I'd have to like fucking figure it out.
Okay, I understand.
So I'm not going to end up getting a new phone until like damn who even knows. I might pay off my phone this week and then get a new one tomorrow.
Everything looks good. Oh shit, I didn't even see you say that shit, bro. Appreciate it. Alright, bet. Yo, you can see my screen, bro.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, alright, bet. So yeah, I would just fuck. We joined late again and shit. But I'm live streaming right now on YouTube and shit. I was
Sir.
telling them, um, I was telling you like last time that you was on this joint, like trading is like a fucking go to this, I'm gonna go to that, I'm gonna go to this, I'm gonna go to that. So um, I know that shit ain't make no sense, but like the trade is already like playing, so like I ain't trying to explain it
Yeah.
like too much because I'm live streaming. But since we took out this high right here on the daily chart with this candle right here, this the candle of today, and we
Mm.
took out this high right here from last week Thursday. and we ran into this orange rectangle. Orange rectangle. That's a sensitive spot that I got marked up, type shit.
Yeah.
And then um, after we ran that buy side, so when we run highs and shit, right? That's liquidity. I was telling you about liquidity, and that's where like orders is like resting and shit. You know what I'm saying? So my narrative was we ran that buy side, and now we started breaking down lower, and I wanted to see them come run some lows since we ran highs. You know what I'm saying? So these are the lows that I'm targeting right here.
Okay. Oh, yeah. 5 seconds.
And it look like I'm about to get smoked. But yeah.
Bro, I haven't been able to study like in in a good minute because I haven't known where to start for real, for real.
Nah, I already know, bro. Um, this not even like my best explanation like to you type shit because it's already late in the day. It's better to like do this shit before so I could like explain everything that I'm going for. But like I'm already all in the trade and shit type shit.
Yeah, I didn't even see that you said you was live until like a few minutes afterwards.
Yeah. So the if anybody that's watching this too, the narrative to this trade was so I trade the macro time. If anybody don't know, I trade based strictly off time, like uh 9:45, 9 through like 9:50 macro type shit, and I trade 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock silver bullet sometimes. So um like I said, we took out that buy side and then we ran into a premium. I'll show y'all what this premium is real quick, bro. So, you know what I'm saying? So that shit all the way the fuck over here. This orange rectangle is this fair value gap on the 4 hour chart from February. You know what I'm saying? So we ran it high and then we ran into that, and as you can see, at 9:30 we got a shift the market structure breaking lower, and then at 9:37, which is like coming towards the macro, we got a fair value gap, and then we traded into it a little bit, and then 9:45. This is what I'm waiting for. At 9:45, we got our displacement. Boom, showing that we on the right side of the market. So now we could just wait until we come target. I'm saying the sell side. Fuck, bro. I should have took this shit, bro. Nah, I'm just playing. I should have did that shit.
Yeah.
Now this my demo account. I traded live this week, the first 3 days. And I don't usually trade Thursday and Fridays on this week, so I'm
Bro,
just demo
I
trading.
feel like I'm so lost in it now. I feel like I had it at first, and I feel like I'm so lost in the sauce right now.
Yeah, it's all good, bro. That shit is gonna take like I'm saying a couple of days of just seeing that shit consistently. You'll get it.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
But nah, I just like I don't know like who to watch because I know some people don't be like giving good advice for real, for real.
all right.
So I just kind of just been like letting it be. Just waiting until I was able to like get the step back up so I could like ask you for your advice again because you're like the only person I know right now that like genuinely does it for real, for real.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna take out. Wait, what the fuck? So I'm going to close. Two, right? Yeah. Partial close two, and I'm gonna keep the other two running down to the sell side here. Nah, my fucking. I was trying to start live with. Yeah, I was trying to start live streaming though, so like I could start doing shit. So like people could actually see like how I like navigate the day. Cause I usually just like post my trades and shit, but like they're not seeing what I'm doing before I post it, before I
I'm
drop
not,
a trade type shit.
I
They
don't get
just
to
see me
cross.
dropping a trade. Yeah. So, but my shit wasn't working at first. Like every time I went live, it would say like my connection like ass, and then um yeah, I had to restart that bitch. So But now it's working though. I think.
Like live on YouTube?
Yeah, I'm on YouTube right now.
I might say you going to tap into any other like streaming services, like not streaming services, like live streaming services,
Um,
like
yeah.
Twitch. Or,
Now, actually, I do want to start doing Twitch, but not for trading, because like I don't feel like a lot of traders on Twitch. But like I do want to start doing like some IRL content, like sooner or later type shit. So,
yeah,
um, hell yeah, for sure.
like wait, like vlogging for?
Yeah, I do. I mean, if you look, bro, I got like mad vlogs already type shit. Like that's one thing about the shit. Like I always did like YouTube, but I just never was consistent with that shit. Like if you
Mm.
search up fucking my name on YouTube, you will see that shit. AJ
I feel
Ajnasz.
like I think about it and I'm like, bro, that's just like a lot of like being behind the camera, and that's like my biggest issue when it comes to like doing content. Which I was told like it's easier to get a like an easier following, an easier audience when they see you and they understand like they how do I say they get to see who you are, like see what your personality is instead of just showing whatever you show.
Right.
And that's the hard part for me personally.
Hold on. I'm gonna get back to that real quick. All right, so
No,
yeah,
you
it's approaching 950 right now, right? So this is the macro, 950 macro. If I want to see price continue down to these sell side lows, I typically don't want to see us come trade above consequent encroachment. You know what I'm saying? I want us to stay below consequent encroachment of this fair value gap right here. Hold on, let me move it so y'all see that. This fair value gap right here, I want to typically see it stay below consequent encroachment. So it does get back up to like my entry. Matter of fact, I would be smart and put it here. If it comes up to here, for sure, the trade is over with. And then I would expect 10 o'clock to reverse because 950 started a reversal. So I would expect 10 o'clock to continue that reversal if we come above consequent encroachment and stop me up. But if we stay below this purple line, then we good. Type shit. All right. Oh, yo, bro.
Mhm.
Oh, yeah, what you was saying about you said you won't be comfortable with like in front of the camera? What you was saying?
Yeah, I be fumbling my words or whatever. Like it was easy to do it. Like when I was doing stuff in my car, it was easy to talk to the camera when I was facing the car or whatever. And then my bro's like, nah, you can't be like, I'm not. He's like, you're not saying you can't do that, but the car is not going to get the audience. You know, I'm not saying you don't have to have the cool. You don't have the cool car because you do. It's just the car is not going to sell them, bro. You need to be who you are. Let them see who you are because that's what's going to keep it flowing. I'm like,
Yeah, that's a fact.
yeah, that's a good fair point, but like getting to that point. As a matter of fact, I realized who I was talking to. I was talking to Anubius. Yeah, I had saw him at the gym yesterday before he dipped.
Yeah, he told me I was just at the gym with him like just now. We were just
Bruh, I wish you said something. I would have pulled up, bro.
yeah, bro, he had text me last night like was I trying to come? I had woke up at 7:30 today. He told me to be there at 8 cuz I was out last night, so like I woke up, it was 7:30. I was like, bro, should I go to this shit, bro? I'm like tired as fuck. I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna just go. Cause I told him I
Bro,
was
I'm there. Like I said, I'm gonna tap into the gym after this, just so I have an excuse to go give me something to eat.
going. For sure. I ain't going
Well,
to the gym. I just came back.
bro, I'm like I definitely realized I gotta start like training shoulders a lot more.
Gotta hit the handstand push-ups, bro.
You're not lying. Not lying. I'm trying to get like honestly, I feel a lot heavier. So like moving around my body weight has definitely been like a low key, but like a little bit of a struggle. So doing like I've been doing trying to do like these variants of push ups, trying to get used to holding up my body. So maybe I'll at least do a muscle up, and I still can't even do it, bro. I don't get how you do it.
Hold on real quick,
You
bro.
make
Yeah, who
okay,
yo, comment, and alive. Whoever comment, I'm gonna send y'all $5. Alright, what you bro, I ain't gonna lie,
right.
bro. Muscle up job easy, bro. Shit easy as fuck, man.
Maybe I'm just not hitting the right technique, bro.
Nah, bro.
Maybe that's what it
I
is.
just train for that shit. I ain't gonna lie. I try do be like training that shit, but like that shit's still like one of the easiest calisthenics moves. It only take probably like a month to learn. If that even for real.
I believe it. I believe it.
You got that
I've
shit.
been,
That shit easy.
I've been, I've been waiting to get back into sparring, bro. I've been like, even though I've been like on my downtime, that don't mean I stop training or I don't still be studying. And I've been trying to figure out this footwork to like, because without the footwork, it don't even matter. So I've been trying to figure out my foot placement, how I'm gonna start controlling the ring a lot more. And I need to get in the ring, bro. I feel like I'm battle ready.
Yeah.
It's just I still like I don't know if I might need to go to the doctor. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like it don't hurt, but
Oh yeah,
my range of
shoulder.
motion low key.
You talking about your shoulder, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've been trying to tap into some yoga, see if that helps, which it has. Like my shoulder feels a lot better. Like I was able to go hit the bag, and my shoulders don't hurt. But I just got to make sure everything is good before I actually go back to the gym and start putting in some real work.
All right, hold up, bro. So right here, right? It's 9:50. What time is it? 9:55. And we came above this high. I'm the easiest way, bro, to navigate this right now is literally with 10 o'clock. You want to see if 10 o'clock is gonna hold this fair value gap or disrespect it. If 10 o'clock, if we disrespect this fair value gap before or after 10 o'clock, then we most likely gonna engage some more buy side. But like to be honest, I really don't see for no reason for us to engage no buy side. Um, so if we stay below consequent encroachment with the wicks, y'all see the wicks going above and a buy stand below type shit, then we should really get there by like 10-10 to the sell side. I'm all over the place right now, bro.
Nah, I feel it, but I think it's just because what's today? Today Thursday. Never mind, I lied. It's the beginning of the week for me. Today it feels like a Monday,
I was gonna say the same thing, but I'm lying. Today
bro.
don't seem like the end of the week, beginning of the week.
Nah, because I go back to work
No,
today.
I know for you. I'm just saying.
Yeah, nah, it's clips, bro. I'm done.
Oh, you go back to work tomorrow?
Nah, I go tonight.
Oh, okay.
It's only 3 days, so I'll be straight. I don't know. This 9 to 5 thing is like not even. It's not working, bro.
Yeah, bro, you better get your ass on this bitch, man.
Nah, you not been lying, bro. It's just been stressing me out, bro. I can't even sleep comfortably, knowing that I gotta go slave at a job all day. I'm not saying there's something wrong with it. There's something wrong with it,
No, there's not nothing wrong with it, but let's be honest, bro. Don't nobody wants to go to work, my nigga. I hate fucking going to work.
but
I hate that shit, bro. I don't even do shit at my job. Like, bro, everybody, nigga. I don't, bro. You know what I do at my job, bro?
hmm,
Nigga, whatever I want, literally, bro. Like last time I went to work to a Tuesday PM, bro. We played basketball in a driveway. Fucking we ordered food and watched TV, and I had took a little nap type
you know
shit.
what I'm saying? Feeling.
That shit still ass. I still hate going to that shit, bro. Even with me just doing that, I hate that shit, bro. It's
You know,
like,
cause you know what you could be doing. You could be on a trip on a jet somewhere, doing
hell yeah,
something.
yeah, that's a fact. That shit to be pissing.
It's getting brain rot, bro. It's like it's getting to a point where I like. It's not like I want to sabotage my job or I'm gonna quit. I'm still trying to get these promotions, but like I definitely just would need to work towards something greater. You know what I'm saying?
No, yeah, that'd be the whole plan, bro. Just work on yourself while you got the job. In the meantime, the job just supposed to be there to just pay your bills and shit. You feel me?
Yeah,
But like the work outside of the job is what really supposed to matter in the long run. For
hell yeah. Because realistically, bro, all like you said, bro. All it does is pay my bills, bro, and make sure that I stay fed. But like,
yeah, that's it.
I need to learn to invest into myself. Besides, like BS.
You got that shit for sure. It's alright, man. That shit. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put you on to some shit that I was looking at. I'm gonna put you onto that shit. I ain't gonna say it on here though, cause like, you know what I'm saying, like,
Alright,
nigga gonna try to steal my sauce. Like, I nigga trying to steal my sauce, bro. Hell nah. Nah, I got
damn, I
some
thought it
shit
still.
though. I'm gonna
Oh,
start doing. I'm giving y'all sauce right here, bro. I can't steal all my sauce, bro. Let me give y'all the sauce again, bro. Right, bro. We ran daily highs, bro. Ran daily highs. Goddamn. I ain't gonna lie though, bro.
mm.
For streaming though, bro, I'm really finna start streaming though. Like, I should start streaming, y'all. I'm about to become a character on this bitch. Like, bro, that's one thing. Like, you know how like if you watch like traders type shit, like they be like kind of like fuck,
Included.
like kind of like sophisticated almost.
Yeah.
Bro, fuck all that shit, bro. Fuck that shit. fuck. Nah, I'm just playing. Let me chill.
Why is nigga about to be the ghetto trader?
Bro, I'm just funny, bro. That's it, bro.
Nah, but I could see it though. There's definitely a visionary.
Nah, I'm definitely about
I
to
just
start
like
doing this shit, though.
every time I hear screaming, bro, it's like my life on camera.
Hold on, y'all, boy. Let me show y'all real quick. Let me show y'all real quick. So the first, now I'm saying, let me show y'all. For y'all who, what's good, bro? What's good, bro? What's your name? SQ Hill type shit. But our first entry was here, and then we took out. Now I'm saying after we took out these sell sides, I had four contracts, and we took out two. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, shit. Wait, my shit lagging, bro. My shit lagging. Yeah, bro. Can you go on my stream real quick and see if I'm live?
Yeah, I got you.
It's called fuck. What's my shit called? NASZ Trading.
You said NAS.
Or no, NASZ Trades. All right,
Got
so
you. Oh,
look right here, right here. I see it's 10 o'clock, right? 10 o'clock is reversal hour. You know what I'm saying? You see how we was not trying to get down to these lows and we started to reverse. Bro, if we do not dump right now into those lows, we most likely gonna fucking consolidate for the rest of 10 o'clock, bro, or we gonna reach some short term lows. Either way it go. It's not looking too juicy for me. But I already took out two contracts, so you know what I'm saying, we paid ourselves, and that's all that matters.
find it. Yo, am I just slow?
Wait, you said what, bro?
Cause I can't find it. I was like, am I just slow?
Oh shit, bro. Hold on, let me send you that shit, bro. They trying to, nah, they not. I see. They being weird.
It would be weird.
I mean, bro, we not putting you in the algorithm, bro. I bet.
I'm like, I'm not the same, bro.
They being weird for sure. But I'm gonna just send you the link.
I got you. I realize that driving is a lot of work. I'm gonna just go ahead.
Y'all, if y'all don't know, bro, NFT Thursdays is one of the most asses days, bro. Like
Got
NFP
you.
Thursday be like inefficient, super inefficient, bro. That's why it looks like this, bro. That's why we haven't hit our target yet, and we just been, you know what I'm saying, boom. But one thing
You
about
say
it
you
is
lagging? Nah.
my shit, my shit lagging. My shit lagging, bro. What we
Yeah,
doing?
bro, you're not lagging.
I'm not, bro. You scaring me, bro. I'm not.
Nah, you good. You good.
Scared it. All right, bet. All right. Let's cook. You finna cook, bro. Yo, bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. This week was like good as hell. Yo, bro, I caught the stupidest trade yesterday, bro. Bro, nigga, that shit was stupid, bro. I'm gonna have to show you
I,
that bitch, bro. That shit was
I see.
stupid, nigga. What'd you say?
I missed it.
What'd you say?
You gotta put me on. I missed everything.
Bro, you been missing this shit, bro. I've been going dumb.
But now that we hearing back. I'm about to be trying to, you know what I'm saying, be tapped in.
No, I ain't gonna lie though, bro. Tomorrow, bro, we gonna be on the shit at 9 o'clock, bro. So we can do all the shit before 9:30. Wait, you got work tomorrow?
Yeah. But I was just trying to come here, take me like a small nap, wake up, hop on live real quick, and then yeah,
I bet.
I just got to really get my schedule in order for it, bro.
All right, man. What we gonna do, man? It's 10 o'clock. I guarantee you this shit is gonna just drop, bro. This shit probably gonna drop at 10:30. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all, bro. 10:30, bro. This shit probably gonna start dropping.
You can't even put that shit out there.
Huh?
Can't even put that energy out there, bro.
What you mean?
Bro, so you can't even say you gotta hope it goes up, bro.
Oh, no. I ain't know what the fuck you was saying. I was like,
Oh, I say you can't put the energy out there, bro.
oh yeah. Man. You gotta have the positive energy is what you saying type shit.
What I'm saying, bro, you gotta hope for the best.
Yeah,
That's
for
the only
sure.
right
For
way
sure,
you
for
can
sure.
receive.
This shit going down for sure, nigga. 100%. 100%. Fair value gap, consequent encroachment, holding price, bro. If you don't know it, bro. Fair value gap, right? When you going short and long, vice versa. You know what I'm saying? If I'm going short, I want price to stay below consequent encroachment. You know what I'm saying? Consequent encroachment is the midpoint of a fair value gap, y'all. I'm putting y'all on game. Why the fuck do I keep looking this way? Consequent encroachment is the midpoint of a fair value gap. You know what I'm saying? Putting y'all on game, right? So this is the midpoint. If I was going short, I want to stay below this, not above, bro. They doing too much right now. So which means is I'm most likely finna get stopped, right? But no, y'all not stopping me out because I'm pulling my shit at break even, bro. Shit. I think they're gonna come back up to those highs on the daily chart. I don't know if they're gonna do that. Nah, that'd just be done for the day for me, to be honest. I just navigate everything else. They gave me my 60 points with this drop. Bro, I got 12 in it, bit. Hold on. Hold on, bro. Hey, bro, how many people I got on my live stream, bro?
Let me check.
Bro, I'm sorry, bro.
No, you good.
Nigga, like, bro, I'm not your fucking live stream checker, bro. I was just playing.
Shit, hold up. We got 5 people here.
Huh?
We got 5 people right now. Well,
Bro, why they lying to me, though, bro?
what do you mean,
They said I got 12 niggas in this bitch, bro.
bro?
Alright,
They
it's
just
cool.
trying to hype your head.
It's
Hey,
cool.
go ahead and just.
It's cool. I ain't tripping. I ain't tripping. I ain't tripping. I ain't tripping.
I might say maybe YouTube not caught up on my side.
That's I ain't tripping. Five good. Five good. What's concurrent viewers? What the fuck is concurrent? Like right now type shit?
Yeah, I'm guessing so.
Like right now viewers? Oh, that's a views, not viewers. Alright, bet. I'm drunk.
Oh, it was just Oh, yeah.
I'm drunk. Alright.
That
See, when I be doing shit like this, bro, that shit make me want to just do that shit. Now I want to see that shit turn to like 500. Hell nah, bro.
bro, you gotta stay within the discipline, bro. You can't break protocol, bro.
Hell nah, bro. Y'all niggas about to be like, bro, this nigga on live every day, bro. This nigga on live, bro, when he sleep. This nigga on live when he eat. Nigga on live when he clap cheek. Nah, just playing.
Nah, but it be like no. To some people, it really be like that, bro. You know, some people that be having like the cameras around their houses or whatever. Like, bro, I don't understand. Nah,
Yeah, bro. Oh yeah, hell yeah, that's a fact.
they be on it all day, every day.
Yeah, that be that streaming. I ain't gonna lie though, this trade was jai not bad though. Like this trade was jai kind of good the whole time.
You might have to explain to me what I'm looking at.
Okay. Shit. Man, we gonna have to break this shit down for you, gang.
I don't mean it to be slow, bro. My bad.
No, you good, nigga. It's me, bro. I should be able to explain this shit to you, bro. All right, so all right. First of all, let me hold on. Let me put it back on normal chart. Let me briefly explain to you about liquidity type shit.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Guys, if y'all don't mind, I'm about to draw on this side real quick. Let me draw some shit real quick. All right. Where the drawing shit at? Are we going down to that? You feel me? Hold on. You feel me? Relative equal lows down there. All right. Back. Bro, where is the drawing tool at? All right, fuck the drawing tool, bro. All right, Jay, bro, listen, bro.
Listening.
All right, so you got trading. It's all about highs and lows, right, bro?
Right.
Highs, bro, is a move that go up and then start going down and then it create a high point, right?
Mm.
So and this another high right here, a move that start going up and it stop at the high and then it start trading down. That's a high, right?
Okay.
This is a high right here, like these little highs, bro, like just highs and then you got lows, right?
Mm.
So my job as a trader is I want to attack those highs and lows. I want to attack that shit. So I mean, like, I want to get into a trade going to those levels. Why? Because say if you got this high right here, right, and
Right.
people went short, that means they sold and they wanted to see price go lower. They stop loss is most likely gonna be above this high, which means if it go back above this high, it's gonna get them out the trade type shit. So the market knows where people's orders, well, it don't know where your order is, but it knows like where most likely people put their orders at. It's above
Yeah.
highs and lows type shit. So for an example, on that this right here, right, if I was right here and I was going short and I got all this profit, my stop loss is
Mm.
most likely gonna be above here. So the market is gonna later want to come and gravitate. You see how this is 3 days worth of trading. You see how they come and gravitate up towards that high?
Yeah.
So, and then after they take the high, what do you see? You see them start dropping.
Mm-hmm.
And then what do they go to? They go to lows type shit. So with current price where we at right now, after we took out that buy side, we took out these lows, took out low here, and I'm targeting these lows. But after we take out those lows, we may come take out and gravitate towards some highs type shit.
Mm.
So it's really just um you just trying to really see where the market going, bro. But it's easy to tell where the market going because you got these clues, bro. It's highs and lows, orders, where those that type shit. So going back to what you were saying, show me what I'm looking at. You know what I'm saying? So
Right.
the beginning of the trade, I start at 9:30 type shit, right? And you can see
Mm.
at this move right here at 8:49. You see at the bottom where it say, you see.
Yeah.
So at 8:49, we came and took out that high, and then you seen that we started breaking lower.
Mm.
The first initial proof that we are breaking lower is when we go up and then when we break a short term low type shit. So like, so when we going up and then we break like our first low, you understand that part? Like, if we come
Yeah.
like, so like basically, if I was going, if I say like this, if I was going lower type shit, I wouldn't want to see us come break no highs. Like if I was going short, I won't want to see us come break this high right here or come break these highs right here.
Mhm.
These highs is like you see how we came this high right here, it came above these highs.
Yeah.
That high not really that prominent because it's inside of this rectangle type shit. So like even if we come above this high right here, as long as we stay below this rectangle, we good. But like
I,
the
I say,
prominent highs, we don't want to trade above. You know what I'm saying? So if we going long here and we took out that daily high and then we got our first break right here, we can expect it to run to sell side, but we gotta wait for time type shit. We can't just sell all rip. We gotta wait for time. So for me, the time that I like to trade is 9:40, 9:45, and I was saying 9:50 type shit, right? So that's a macro. A macro is it's a time where a price runs to a certain point of liquidity, but it's gonna happen inside of that time type shit. 9:45 through 10 o'clock. Your setup will form inside that time type shit. So at 9:30, right? Oh yeah, this is another thing too. Before any move, if I'm going like say if I'm buying, I want to see a fake run lower, and if I'm going short, I want to see a fake run higher. That's it's called manipulation, and it's there to trick traders into thinking that we're gonna do one thing and do the other type shit. So at 9:30, right?
right.
Um, we got this candle that go up, breaking these highs right here. Short-term high, short-term high, short-term high, and we broke them. So a lot of people with this candle, just this one candle, probably thought that we was gonna go higher, and they
Right.
probably bought. But then you see us came the next candle and we broke these lows, right? And then we came back up again, and then came and broke these lows. So after we start breaking a whole bunch of lows,
Mm-hmm.
we're not expecting price to keep going higher because we already did our move higher back here. So it's like if we not going higher, the only thing that we could target next is something lower,
Yo,
which is some sell
yo,
side.
yeah.
So all I'm doing now is waiting for time to form my setup. My setup is called fair value gaps. Well, no, that's not my setup. That's just what I use to take the trade. But
Yeah.
during that time, during 9:45, 9:50, I'm looking for fair value gaps to form. A fair value gap is this right here. So you see how you got it's made of three candles. So you could use any three candles too. So you got this candle, you got this candle, and then you got this candle. You see how this candle's high and this candle low don't touch each other,
Yeah.
and that's a gap. So you got that the gap in between. So this candle high and this candle's low right here. They don't connect. So all that is a gap. And gaps in the market get filled type shit. I'm saying
I'm like,
that's how they balance
you
the market
definitely
out.
lag for,
What is that?
so you definitely just like lag for a second. I missed like that whole like last part.
Oh, okay. I was saying yeah, candle high, candle low, and then they don't touch. So that makes
Mm-hmm.
up a fair value gap.
Mm-hmm.
Fair value gaps. Oh yeah, the market creates fair value gaps and they use them to balance the market out. So and they got to get traded into for the most part. So like when we do create these fair value gaps, they get traded into to balance the market, right? So when I'm taking a trade, I'm waiting for those fair value gaps to know that price is like heading to my direction. Because if we get fair value gaps going into your direction after we done did like the move that I told you like to happen at 8:30, then that's a sign of like strength type shit. Cause you're not
Mm.
gonna get fair value gaps going in the wrong direction. That don't make sense. You feel me? You're gonna get fair value gaps going where price is strong at.
But I say
So
what's happening.
at this right here at this point, price is strongly going down to sell side because we already ran a buy side. That's why
Yeah,
you see fair value gap. You got fair value gap right here. You got this big fair value gap right here, and you see how we just traded into it, but
yeah.
we still respecting it.
So you're not moving with like outside of it, pretty much.
All right. So this is the first trade that I took right here. This fair value gap. So
Hmm.
you got candle number one, candle number two, and then you got candle number three. Candle number three low and candle number two high don't connect, right?
Right.
So that's your gap. And all I'm doing is just waiting for this gap to form inside of that time around 9:45. It don't have to form exactly at 9:45, but just like around it type shit. So it
Hmm.
formed at 9:38. We traded into it at 9:45. But I'm expecting the high of the candle, the fair value gap candle, to hold price. So I don't want to see it go above this candle high right here. I don't want to see it go right here. And you see how we came like just below it and
Yeah,
started trading down?
yeah.
That's not random either. That's algorithmic. That's supposed to happen. Type of shit. A lot of times, like they will trade like close to it, but if it's not supposed to happen, it's not supposed to happen.
Okay.
Type shit. So um that's like the narrative on the trade that I took, bro. It's like a kind of lot, but yeah, that shit was a lot.
Well, I say I definitely have a better understanding now, though. I think I'll quick run down real quick.
Man,
My bad. Hold up.
you just about to make me roll up. I ain't gonna lie,
Rolling up. I'm not. I'm cooking breakfast. What do you mean?
bro. I just heard some shit about rolling up, nigga. Now I'm about to roll
No,
up.
hold up. That's.
I don't care, bro. I'm still about to roll up.
I put the butter in the wrong
What you about
one.
to cook, bro?
Uh, I'm about to make breakfast like breakfast sandwiches,
Type shit.
but I put the butter in the wrong pan. I'm tweaking. Damn. I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying to get like in the mindset of like moving and like being in my own place. For real. I done found this apartment. Hopefully gonna put the deposit down like within the next like 2 weeks.
Hey, you live by yourself, bro?
It's nice. It's decent. I'm not gonna say where it's at, but just know it got some real natural lighting.
You live by yourself right now?
I wish.
Oh. Wait,
Yeah, I'm
I
not.
was gone like half of when you were saying that shit. You said you get in your apartment?
Yeah, that's I didn't find one. I'm just like waiting to have the money to put down for the deposit. I just gotta handle a few more things.
Okay, that's what's up, brother.
But like, nah, bro. It got the thing that's pulling me, bro. Is like the natural lighting, bro. It has a lot of it.
Nah, yeah, that's a fact. That natural lighting do be you motherfucker.
For me, bro, I don't know any crib that got a lot of good sound like perfect.
Hell yeah. I'm moving into my new shit next month.
Huh?
I'm moving into my new crib next month.